Hello YouTubers, this is another video about Minecraft called My House. I'm gonna show it to you. Water tree, the same one. Okay, remember the other video where I showed you guys about my horses? Yeah, I'm gonna show you about my house now. That's the roller coaster. And this is my house. I have paintings. Everything I need right here. I have a lot of golden pickaxes. I have more here. I have more golden pickaxes. And I have a furnace. Here I have a lot of swords. I could just place one here, another one here, another one here, another one here. But I like to keep it. I have a lot of golden swords. I have diamond swords, I have a lot too. So now I'm going to show you my second floor. It's not full yet, but it's in progress. I tried to make a pool, to be honest here, and it was a fail. Should have been appeared on Toby. One fail, but that's the win. No, that's a fail. And it's epic. So that's gonna be another episode right there. I don't know if you guys like it, but this is where I'm gonna finish my video. Okay? So